Let's talk and rhyme about our classroom items. Ready? Here we go. I write your stories day and night.
Pencil.
I fix mistakes all right.
Rubber.
I draw lines straight and bright.
Ruler.
I write on the board in sight.
Chalk.
I color everything in light.
Crayon.
I make bold lines, what a delight.
Marker.
I make important words shine bright.
Highlighter.
We add lots of colors, what a sight.
Colored pencil.
I write neatly, day or night.
Pen.
I hold your pens and pencils tight.
Pencil case.
I keep pencils sharp, ready to write.
Sharpener.
I tell stories and facts that excite.
Book.
I keep your notes safe and right.
Notebook.
I organize papers left and right.
Folder.
I hold your pages neat and right.
Binder.
I carry papers in my sight.
Clipboard.
I take the rubbish out of sight.
Bin.
I show new words and charts tonight.
Whiteboard.
I display notes and pictures bright.
Bulletin board.
We remind you of things just right.
Sticky notes.
All together, side by side in our classroom full of pride. Learning tools both day and night make our world so fun and bright.